Hi bazali bami, welcome to Umgosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. Umgosi wethu namhlanje bazali bami Zitho will be reviewing yesterday episode of Uthando Nesithembu. But guys, before we review, I just wanna put short nyana clip.
So into eyenza ukuthi nididane kakhulu this time is because azange akutshele about this particular one. So that is why wena shothi usu-acta kanje because shothi you feel ukuthi kufanele akwenze umamkhulu akuchazele yonke before ayenze. But mina I've been understanding.
You know, bazali bami Zitho, the previous reviews or the previous videos I've made about Uthando Nesithembu, a lot of people, they were saying, okay, they get it, I have a problem with Umakhumalo. But I'm still saying I don't have a problem with Umakhumalo. And I give it to Umakhumalo. Umakhumalo is very strong and she's a very hardworking woman. Ne? But inkinga yami mina ngoMakhumalo yile uMangwaba ambuza yona lapha. Inkinga ngifuna understand ukuthi uMakhumalo kahle kahle inkinga yakhe yini? Inkinga ukuthi kuthathwe ngakubo or ukuthi kuthathwe number 5, because the previous years guys uMakhumalo banganankinga nendaba ka number 5 if ngikhumbula kahle. They even sang njengoba namhlanje abantu bakibo amacele sebayinkinga, angithi they even sang bathi bahamba nabo dadewabo bazosala bayincenga. So yesterday uMakhumalo noMangwabe they had ilunch nyana whereby uMangwabe ukwenza uMusa Mseleko akucela uMusa Mseleko ukuthi ucela ukuthi amkhulumele noMakhumalo ngomshado wabo. uMangwabe uyile there and I felt like uMangwabe ukhulume njenge a very matured woman and a fair woman, azange athathe side but ukubhekane neqiniso. And I love ubuza uMakhumalo ukuthi okay wena ukwatele ukuthi lo azange akuthulele yena ngoba laba abanye bebakuthulela bona ukwateleni, because wena kusho ukuthi lo azange akuthulele ngoba wena ufana nokuthi umamkhulu kumele uthulelwe intombi zakaMusa Mseleko. Wathi yena no. So asa-understand inkinga yini and kusho ukuthi ukwatela ukuthulela umuntu because uMusa Mseleko on Uthando Nesithembu Uncut once said uMakhumalo wathulela uMakhumalo wamthanda uMakhwela bavumelana. So ukuthi ijike phela akasayazi inkinga iqale la. Why uMakhumalo bekavuma ukumitha ama-girlfriend kaMusa Mseleko awumfazi? Why? Because if you remember on the previous season uke wayiveza umacele lento leyo ukuthi akathanda ukuthi amakhosikazi amithe izanciza zakaMusa Mseleko, and lento ukumitha izanciza zakaMusa Mseleko ziyinkinga. Asho ukuthi noMasawulu ukuthi amithe uMakhumalo noMangwabe basisa ama-girlfriend, it was wrong of uMasawulu. Tell me why ukuthi uMakhumalo wayechubeka yenza lento leyo. So uMakhumalo yena ke uyi mama kaMusa Mseleko, just that thina besingayiboni ukuthi uthi umacele. Tell me ukuthi wena bekafila kanjani amakhosikazi angamfuni number 5 yena aloku athulela ama-girlfriend. Angithi abantu bathi ngine problem yena bekafila kanjani? She didn't see anything wrong. Guys, asibhekane neqiniso, singabheki indaba, singabheki umuntu. Masingabheki umuntu sibheke inkinga. uMakhumalo, she didn't have a problem all this time makathulela amanye ama-girlfriend. She didn't have a problem. Jikiling, she has a problem now just because sebamthulela lo, or just because lo abasamthulele ngoba umuntu wangakubo. Uthi yena she had a conservation noMusa Mseleko la athe ukumusa khona cause somdala lento izokwehlisa isithunzi. Why ungasali soyiyeka? I'll tell you why ukuthi Makhumalo bekasho kanjalo. Akayisho ngoba bekabona ngathi isidima saMusa sizoyehla. Uyisho just because i-friendship yakhe noMangwabe bekayibona iyahlangana and bekabona ukuthi a lot of people they are blaming her ukuthi umvuma kanjani number 5 amanye amakhosikazi angamvumi. You understand? So bakayibona ukuthi lento izoyenza inkinga, but isizathu sasinika uMusa siboka ukuthi asikho. Bokumele ahlalise uMusa phansi asho izizathu lezi uMangwabe umayeni bekazi isho bani uMangwabe ukuthi ukufaka kwakho omunye umuntu ukuphula umuzi wakho ngoba bakhona amakhosikazi athi makungena omunye umuntu kuzophuma. Now she's blaming uSamke uthi uSamke ungene aloku abona ku TV amanye amakhosikazi athi azophuma. uSamke ungene just because bekabona ukuthi amakhosikazi ayi2 they don't have a problem, abayi2 bane problem, and lo one problem umuntu wakhe yamtshela ukuthi uMangwabe naye ukuthi angene amkele kwaliwa. So now kuzolunga. You understand? Uyabona ukuthi i-favorite kamuntu wami ayina inkinga which is uMakhumalo. I-favorite second best yakamuntu wami which is uMacele akana problem. So why mina ngihlala ngizohlaliswa umayeni vele kuthiwa umuntu enenkinga. So mina I don't blame uSamke ngokungena kuMusa. Ne? Unfortunately for uSamke I don't know ukuthi uzofila kanjani makasabona nezinto ezithula uMakhumalo, and I'm telling you this for free. uMakhumalo izinto azitshela uMangwabe on TV uzisho ngamabomu. Uthi uMusa wathi yena uyafisa ukuyeka lento ka number 5. Ngicela ngizwe kahle. Uthi uMusa wathi uyafisa ukuyeka intaka number 5 azange athi uyafisa ukuyeka uSambi uyafisa ukuyeka indaba ukuthatha number 5 inkinga sekunengane I don't know inkinga yabona into emosha umuzi kaMusa i1 ilimi itong Shashalazi FC yiyo emosha umuzi kaMusa because I don't understand ukuthi why Musa athatha indaba zalo mfazi azimusa kulo athatha zalo azimusa kulo ubheka wacamba manga amasinda kanjani athi kuMangwabe into emgulisile abantu bakacele banabantu bakacele boku right kuyo bathengela utshwala kumnandi so bamgulise ngokuthini abantu laba ngoba zange bamdelele kwalezi zinto bebazisho jokingly azange bake baqinisa ubuso yena ufika kuMangwabi uthi no into engicabanisa engenza ukuthi ngigule abantu bakacele sebangifuna inkomo yamuthi uMusa akanalo iqiniso uyenza ngathi bukuyi-meeting lesindayo bayicelile abantu bakacele kanti bazikhulumela nje abantu bakacele kuyo bathengela utshwala you understand now sekunenkinga phakathi kwabantu bakacele noMangwabe just because uMangwabe felt like ukuthi abantu bakacele bayamdelela kodwa uyibona ukuthi uMangwabe kwayena kwenye indawo akanaqiniso but akayibona inkinga ngomngane wakhe bekama athena kana inkinga no number 5 maka abantu bakacele mabathi abana inkinga no number 5 seba wrong vele labana nami ngiyafila ukuthi baqhamukela kakhulu endabeni zakaMsileko kodwa nje uMangwabe naye yazi ukuthi bamngane wakho vele sometimes uwrong wakhe akamboni asichubekeni ngoMakhumalo so uMakhumalo uyasho ukuthi uMusa uphinde washo ukuthi yena uSamke akusumuntu vele uMusa bekamthanda ne kusho ukuthi kulabantu labo uMusa bekaloko abacela uSamke uyo ovumile yo yazi yababhlungu indaba kaSamke I do feel sorry for Samke because as mawuku relationship nomuntu guys ne wena ungabe akutshele into ngathini you don't know izinto ezikhuma behind your back uMusa if bakangasafunda uSamke bokumela atshele uSamke there was no need ukuthi ayitshele uMakhumalo yabona le uSamke une right ukukwatela uMusa tell me ukuthi uMusa wayebekatshela uMakhumalo ukuthi yena akamthandi uSamkelo wayebekasho kanjalo uMusa bekamshelelana umntana omncane maceda azotshela umfazi wakhe ukuthi akamthandi and I strongly believe ukuthi uMusa lento bekayitshela uMakhumalo akusilona iqiniso mhlambe bekasho ngoba bekabona isimo abhekane naso ukuthi okay fine ngiyabona ukuthi uMakhumalo nangu sekahlela ngakimi mangisho kanje because I really don't know ukuthi why ngoba but i-reason kaMakhumalo I'm not saying uMusa akashongo lezinto uzishilo ngiyathemba because uMusa uyazihambisa izindaba and uMakhumalo yamuza ukuthi uthi no enye into yenza ukuthi uMusa asho kanjalo ukuthi uthi usempini kaMangwabe noMacele ngoMacele uthi if wamthatha number 5 izabuhlulekile ezemene uMangwabe uthi if wamthatha number 5 ngiyahamba and obvious nami ngumusa bengese sakaMacele ngoba mina ngavuma mina wangingamukelisa ngenkani lama yamakhosikazi kodwa wena namhlanje inkosikazi ye1 ithi ungamthatha umuntu unkosikazi umamela leyo nkosikazi leyo yeah understand into kaMakhumalo mina I don't know ukuthi namanje I fail to understand ukuthi kahle kahle uMakhumalo ukwateleni I'm still waiting for the next season mhlawumbe Makhumalo uzosho the real reason enza ukuthi angafuni uSamkelo kodwa nje I've noticed even kuma comment section of my previous videos ukuthi abafazi abaningi we are shifting the blame umuntu ofake yonke lobushibisha bakulo namhlanje uyi1 guys which is uMusa Mseleko uyi1 uMusa Mseleko waphula isithembiso sakhe noMangwabe sokuthatha number 5 uMusa Mseleko waphula isithembiso sakhe noMakhumalo sokuthatha ngakibo Makhumalo yonke lento le it has nothing to do with uSamke asibeni honest it has nothing to do with uSamke and not even once uMakhumalo kuyewama wathi eTV sambona nathi avuma ukuthi ungathathi ngakithi into bona bebayikhuluma abayi2 uMakhumalo avuma ukuthi indoda yakhe ithathe omunye unkosikazi that means yena makathi okay asithi uMusa ngabe uthatha intombazane ebuye eEastern Cape bonye kube nenkingi kusho ukuthi uMusa bakazokulahlela amakhosikazi ayi2 just because isivumelana naso nonkosikazi oyi1 uyayibona guys but ke bazala bami I know ukuthi niyanicabanga kanjani and I know a lot of people will attack me for this but ke ngicela ningi-understandiseni on comment section ukuthi yini le ngaka uMakhumalo ayikwatela just make me understand guys angilwi because mina ngiyiboni into uMakhumalo ayilusela uMusa to be honest angiyiboni ngitshela nje on comment section ukuthi yini le ngaka because it seems like nayo Mangwabe akayi-understand ukuthi yini le ngaka I do understand ukuthi uMusa uphanisha uMakhumalo kakhulu because ngibonile on the next episode esodlana neSplit uthi una 5 months angakhulumi noMakhumalo and I feel like uMakhumalo was disrespecting uMusa makamblock even now mangikhuluma na even if umngane wakho icolleague yakho umuntu masakublockile akudelela guys and I don't see any need ukuthi masongiblockile masonganibhlocka mina ngikhulume nawe ukuthi mina ngikublock esichubeke mina nawe siblockane ufana ukuthi ngithi ngikhuluma naye efonini then udrop ifoni ungavalelisanga indelelo leyo indelelo uMakhumalo is wrong of doing that to me wakhe kodwa bangekho wrong uMakhumalo ukwata and uMakhumalo ngifila ngathi bangekho wrong ngoba ivumelana bebenaso soyithu as much as leso sivumelana ngifila ngathi she was very selfish from day one bekamisa up number 5 angithi uyayithi number 5 akana inkinga naye so mara alright manje makaqeda ukukhulisa impilo makakhulise umntana kantu umakhulisa umntana kaMakhwela and I don't want to lie I feel like yabona uMakhwela ngabe bekabuya komunye umndeni uMakhwela kibo uMakhwela kumele bahambe bayivulele uMakhumalo icase uMakhumalo ahlawule insini baye enkosini oba emsuka nje isizulu because there's no way ukuthi ungathi umntana kusomunye umuntu just because of into evele ku social media kayingakho ku social media abasho into eyiningi isabekayo social media mhlanje ngavuka kusasa ithi uMakhumalo is dating uhumhum kayingakho mangwabe bathi uMakhumalo is dating uhumhum mangwabe has been spotted with what so that means mele sithi mangwabe yachita. No guys, it doesn't work like that. Let's just be honest and fair. It doesn't work like that. It's real doesn't work. Yabo ngabe bekathe uyizwe indabeni mhlamba abantu bayikhuluma ukuthi uMakhwela uthandana nobani wakuphi and I know a lot of people they'll say the allegations ezigezavela ukuthi njengoba bukube ne shooting ngamseleku le shooting yenzeka just because buku boyfriend kaMakhwela. Remember Mtholoke has never released a statement. Umpumelelo ku live yakhe azange athi uvumile indaba yokungenela kaMseleku azange athi boyfriend kaMakhwela and even on this season asikayivi khuluni. So guys, if nethuma Makhwela unenkinga isho nama-point ukuthi unenkinga mayifika yaphi and guys make us understand thina understand ukuthi yini le ngaka uMakhwela yenzeni ngaphandle nokushada indoda vele beseyisesithembini yini le ngaka uMakhwela yenzile because uMakhumalo naye ungene wafanta as if ugade ingane wafanta as if intombi eshaya isigubhu kodwa waqolelwa uma ngabe naye wangena ngenkani kwangena kwabe ngathi umngani kaSindi uma ngabe naye kuthiwa wayebuya endaweni ngakibo mayeni angithi if iqiniso guys nalikhuluma makube iqiniso kuwo wonke umuntu so that means umayeni right aloku aphatha uMangwabe yabo umayeni right angafuni uMangwabe just because ubuya ngakubo naye. It's only fair and leyo yasho uyimusa Msele ukuthi no umayeni unochubu just because yena noMangwabe bebangazana even though they're not friends umayeni azangasho even a single thing leyo nto leyo yasho uMusa Msele uMangwabe yena wathena bekangamazi umayeni yes bangabe babuye eduzana but bangasumngani kamayeni umayeni has never said bamngani uMangwabe uthi yena noMangwabe bazana babingelelana uMusa Msele so kusho ukuthi into yakhe bebuthi istyle sakaMusa mase basenza ukweso yakhala na guys inkinga umuntu mayenza into wrong bhekana indoda nekublamana sisodwa uthi I'm a girl's girl but indoda mayenza into wrong you are blaming the girl you are not blaming your husband it is wrong. That is my open so my honest opinion but bazalwane you can comment down below your thoughts and please don't forget to like subscribe share and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.